The tech team at A2B work in a methodology called Agile, which means that there's not much hierarchy. It's really important that everybody in each squad is working and giving equally as much to support the customer and the business and the technology. So it was really great to have our POs, our UXs, marketing, change managers and account managers all in the one room. We were working together for 3 days. I honestly think the rapport building was so great because we all have so much knowledge from our different areas. Being able to share that in a natural way, I think that's so invaluable.
My key takeaway from this experience was learning how to empathize with the customer, to work out what your assumptions are, and then to go test those assumptions and to put yourself in your customer's shoes, to observe them, to interact with them, to talk to them about their problems and how they interact with the space around them.
From my perspective, the most valuable thing that my team has gained over the last 3 days has really been that ability to practice and stretch themselves. So in the work environment, it's often difficult to try new things and experiment when you're dealing with your real customers and real problems. There's always that fear that you're going to mess up. And in this space, it's safe. It's a different project, a different problem to solve, and you can really flex those skills. So things like the ideation, fantastic. I think after that session, we all felt a bit stretched in our creative side, as well as kind of stepping out of our comfort zones when interviewing customers. I think that's a rare skill and really difficult for people to practice.
Oh, look, as a change manager at A2B and working in the Dynamics team, the design thinking process has been made a lot clearer to me, and I would hope that the actual process could be used in more parts of the organisation. The process seems very sound, very logical, and a key way of solving problems, and I think it could be used widely in the organisation.